Today I'm going to show you how we replace a large sash using a ladder lift. If you're curious how this thing hooks up, this is the way it hooks up to the glass. Top pulley. That's the way it attaches there. This is how it attaches to the bottom part of the ladder. And you just crank it up. And when you want to release it, just pull it back. This is how we take out a big sash. Guys ready? Got it?
You want someone down?
Yeah, this says 158 weight limit. Yeah, right. Here we go.
Hooking onto the green. There we go.
You're gonna go down in here?
Booyah!
That's how you do it. That's the way you do it. Teamwork and having the right tools. Thanks for watching.